Hello everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well. So I am going to answer another one of your questions. This is an Ask Atreyu video. You might be wondering, well, if it's an Ask Atreyu video, where's your hood? You said you have to have your thinking hood or your thinking cap on, right? Well, I'm not answering the question yet. I haven't even read it, people. Get off me. No, you'll understand in a second why I am not wearing the hood, and don't worry, it will make an appearance. Alright, so today's question comes from When Singerful. She writes, "Nice, Seb. Congrats on 3 and 7. Question: since you leave them untwisted for months, do you have any issues with new growth tangling anymore when you do go to retwist? Or is that no longer a thing anymore?" Good question, and I'm very grateful, and I understand why you would ask it when singerful, because you deal with hair that grows away from some of your locks as well, and you've been combating tangling probably for almost as long as you've been combating frizz. So I thought it would be best. By the way, I just washed my hair. Yes. He washed his hair. Yeah, I washed my hair. I told you guys if my scalp needed to be cleaned, or if my locks, I felt like they were looking dull, then I would wash. I'm not so legalistic. People, you guys need to chill out, I express what I think I'm going to do, what I plan on doing, but then life happens, and you just go with the flow, and that's how you live a relatively stress-free life. So yes, I ended up washing my locks, even though I will not retwist them until next month. Alright, so, When Singerful. Yes, these locks still tangle, and this is why I wanted to bring you up here all nice and close. You see that? Yeah. And it's not just, in the front, it's everywhere. My locks definitely do still tangle. It's almost like I have Congos, right? I mean, I would be someone who could really get Congos very easily if that were my goal, because my hair grows away from my locks, and yeah, it just tangles very easily, which I guess is good for locks, right? That's why I was budding after my first month. My hair locked up pretty quickly, but yes, the hair is still growing away. Now I want to make another point, that while the hair may grow away from maybe all except for 3 of my locks, it doesn't necessarily grow away to the extent of thinning out all of my locks. It's only these perimeter ones where my hair grows away from my locks that the lock actually thins out, and I have to do the braid technique on it. So as far as these other locks, these other tangles, this other undesired matting, I just, separate them, reestablish the parts once I do the retwist. So yes, it is still very much a part of my lock quest, and kind of like I told Kita Hart, some things you just gotta accept and go with it, and it's what makes my lock quest unique. Hopefully that answers your question, When Singerful. Oh shoot! I just answered the question without my hood after all that smack I was talking. Well, I did say that some of the videos, or most of the videos, I've been wearing my hood. I just got into it, I'm so used to speaking in this setting. Anyway, I hope this answers your question. When singerful. And if any of the rest of you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to submit them to me so that I can answer them in an Ask Atreyu video. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions conditions the heart to not really love at all. Sebbies, Atreyu is out.